to the opening of Kechara Paradise Sunway Pyramid, Mr. Henry Wee, to say a few words for this auspicious event.
Welcome to Kechara Paradise Sunway Pyramid. On behalf of Kechara Paradise, I thank young performer very much for taking time out from a busy schedule to officiate the opening of Kechara Paradise today. And thank you to young Berbahagia for being present with us here too. Also, I thank the management of Sunway Pyramid for making the necessary arrangements for the opening. Kechara Paradise is one of the many departments within Kechara, a Tsem Tulku Buddhist organization whose main objective is to spread the Holy Buddha Dhamma through the profound teachings of Lama Tsongkhapa. Our first outlet, Kechara Paradise, was conceptualized in the late 90s by Kechara's spiritual guide, His Eminence Tsem Tulku Rinpoche, and opened its doors to the public in the year 2000. Kechara Paradise outlets offer a wide range of Buddhist materials as well as beautiful pieces of art and craft items sourced from the Himalayas. Our unique decor and items add diversity to the already excellent tenor mix in Sunway Pyramid. This attracts many shoppers, local and tourists from abroad, and we have had many overseas tourists who have visited Kechara Paradise since our soft opening. Many of these tourists made good comments that they find our shop unique where they can pick a gift or souvenir home. All of our outlets have been a hit among local and foreign tourists, and so too will this outlet in Sunway Pyramid. Now, I would like to call upon young performer to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Henry Wee, the Awesome of Kechara Paradise, Ruby Wong, the Awesome Kechara Paradise, Dato Dr. Wee, Chairman Tourism Malaysia, members of the media, friends of Kechara, and tourists from all over the world. Welcome to Malaysia. Today is a very significant day for me too, because this is the second Kechara Paradise Center which I've been kindly asked to officiate. I officiated the center in Bangsar 2 years ago, and that was extremely exhilarating. And now, within a very short 2 years, we expanded to so many other branches. And that indicates the potential for retail shopping, for creative, new products in Malaysia. Malaysia is known for multiculturalism, for multi-religious identity and multi-ethnicity. And for the friends of Iran, we don't have to go to Himalaya. You just come here and you will see some very interesting aspects of Himalaya. We know that Himalaya is a very mysterious place, a very exotic place, but not an easy place to go. We always associate Himalaya with the Dalai Lama, Himalaya with all the stupas and all the monasteries. And thank you for bringing that experience to Malaysia. For Kechara Center, it brings another type of tourism to perspective, and that's spiritual tourism. Spiritual tourism. I just came back from India, but India is also a very important place for spiritual tourism. Many people go to India to seek their own spiritual understanding. And I believe that Kechara will also provide, in some form, this expansion of spiritual tourism. So all in all, to Henry, Ruby, to all the groups of Kechara, congratulations for this beautiful outlet. Is it? I don't know, it's outlet, a beautiful center. It's a beautiful center. To all of you who have come to support Henry and Ruby, thank you. Remember, you're all ambassadors of tourism of Malaysia. Wherever you go, you must tell Malaysia Truly Asia. Malaysia Truly, not Malaysia, Malaysia Truly Asia. You must always tell Malaysia Truly Asia. Why? Because we are Asia. We are Malays. We are Chinese. We are Indians. So you want Malay food, you can get. You want Chinese food, you can get. You want Indian food, you can get. Malaysia Truly Asia. That's beautiful Malaysia. So now, for Kechara, you also bring the Malaysia Truly Asia perspective to Malaysia. So with all of this, to the Muslims, I wish you all a very blessed holy month. To all of us, wish you a very, very good day and enjoy shopping in Sunway Pyramid. And for all us Malaysians, finally, Selamat Hari Merdeka. The One Malaysia, let us count our blessings that we are all happy Malaysians living in Malaysia. And let us all take our citizenship very seriously, very responsibly, and that we all must work towards the One Malaysia vision of the Prime Minister. So congratulations. Do I declare this open? No? Not yet, I don't declare it. So thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Thank you for a wonderful speech. Present a gift to Dato Dr.Victor Wee. Yang Berhormat Dato Sri Dr. Yen to officiate the opening of Kechara Paradise Sunway Pyramid.